you can see, outside is green, it's beautiful. I have some apartment buildings to my right. Over there on the other side, that's a golf course. This neighborhood here is middle class. Can show you some houses. I'm driving, so it's harder to see. Middle class in St. Paul. They also have some apartments. What they do, they buy a house and then they demolish it and then they build apartments. So like these houses, eventually they might sell them and then construct apartments like this one you see right here to my left. That space used to be 2 houses. Now, as you can see, it's a apartment complex. Once again, this is middle class St. Paul. It's a mixture of houses and apartments. That's the church right there. It's an old neighborhood. Alright, thank you so much for joining me here. It's a short trip from Minneapolis to St. Paul. Give us a like, subscribe, support the work. Let's get to 10,000 subscribers. Thanks for watching. You can see it's summer. They have construction going on everywhere. Like here, there used to be houses. Now they are building apartments. And this one here used to be houses. It's brand new. Alright, take care of yourself, spread love. Peace out.